Hi there, and welcome back to Cooking with Me. I'm me, and I hope that you are you. Would you like to learn how to make cinnamon pecan keto pancakes? No? Well, this is awkward because I have all of the ingredients prepared. I'm going to make them anyway, and if you don't like it, you can turn it off. But you should want to learn how to make them because these pancakes actually taste like pancakes. For some reason, unbeknownst to me, most keto pancakes are made with cream cheese and a bunch of eggs. And while I like both of those things, they do not taste like pancakes. All you have to do to make pancakes is replace the flour and the sweetener. And even if you're not on the ketogenic diet, maybe you could benefit from lowering your carbs and sugar intake. Not that you need it. Today we are doing pecan flour, but you could also use almond flour. I'm also using one of my favorite sweeteners. I'm not going to tell you which one, but my favorite ones are sweet leaf stevia, Truvia, which is a blend of stevia and erythritol, and also monk fruit and erythritol blend by So Nourished. You can replace the syrup with Chalk Zero's maple syrup. That's the best one. And then for a topping, in addition to the syrup, you can put some healthy fats on top with some pasture-raised butter. I like to use this one from Danish Creamery because not all grass-fed butter is actually pasture-raised. I'm not going to name any popular butters that people use that are not actually grass-fed, but one comes to mind and it rhymes with very bold, as in, that's a very bold statement. First, you need 1 cup of flour, 1 tablespoon of sweetener, a pinch of salt, about a tablespoon of cinnamon, starting to smell like French toast, and about half a tablespoon of baking powder. Those are your dry ingredients. Now for the wet ingredients, you start with half a cup of heavy whipping cream. Oh, I put too much. I'm going to put it back in this one. 4 ounces of heavy whipping cream, 1 egg, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil, or any kind of oil that you would like to use, not vegetable oil. Then you just stir up your wet ingredients, then add it to your dry. Then you stir up everything. These are a lot easier to cook if you have a griddle. If you have an electric one, set it to about 350 degrees. I'm using my griddle on top of my gas range, so I put the large burner to low and the smaller burner in the back, I set that to almost medium. It's a lot easier if you use a tablespoon to scoop small amounts onto the griddle because they flip a lot easier. My first time I tried to make a huge pancake and it did not work out well for me. And while the griddle is hot, you can also put some breakfast sausage on there, or in my case today, I'm using some of these organic beef hot dogs from Applegate. And there's no sugar or any junk in these things, so it's nice and healthy. Speaking of healthy, I'm going to use some pasture-raised butter on top, along with some Chalk Zero sugar-free syrup. This is my favorite syrup because they don't use any bad sweeteners in it. It's just liquid vegetable fiber and monk fruit extract, along with maple flavoring. So, that's about as good as you're gonna get when it comes to pancake syrup. Well, the pancakes are looking good and I'm gonna go eat now, but thanks for watching Cooking with Me. I've been me, and I hope that you've been you. Till next time.
Cooking with me, cooking with me, doo-ba-doo.
Well, the word on the street is, if you comment on this video, you'll be the talk of the town. If you subscribe, all of your dreams will come true. Till next time.